Welcome to our channel where we help you launch your own business. If you've ever dreamed of owning your own company, making your own rules, and controlling your destiny, you've come to the right place. We're dedicated to helping you turn your business dreams into reality. We believe that everyone has the potential to become an entrepreneur, and we're here to provide you with the tools, tips, and insights you need to make it happen. So whether you have a revolutionary business idea or you're just tired of the 9-to-5 grind and want to take control of your life, we're here to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned as we take you step by step on this exciting journey, from the first spark of an idea to the successful launch of your venture. Remember, every great business started with a dream and the courage to pursue it. So let's get started. The entrepreneurial spark. Ever wondered what it takes to launch your own business? Well, let's start with the entrepreneurial spark. This is not just about having a business idea. It's about identifying a unique niche in the market that your business can fill. The marketplace is a dynamic, ever-evolving entity, and finding that one specific gap where your business can thrive is the first step towards a successful entrepreneurial journey. Now, you might be wondering, what does a unique business idea look like? It's a blend of innovation, creativity, and a touch of audacity. It's about seeing things that others don't see, about connecting the dots in a way that's never been done before. It's about challenging the status quo and daring to believe that your way could be better, could be different, could be the next big thing. But having a unique business idea is not enough. The entrepreneurial journey is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires passion, resilience, and a willingness to take risks. Passion is what will keep you going when things get tough. It's the fuel that powers your entrepreneurial engine. Resilience is what will help you bounce back from setbacks and failures. It's the shock absorber that keeps your entrepreneurial vehicle steady on a bumpy road. And then there's risk. Entrepreneurship is all about taking calculated risks. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing the unknown. It's about betting on yourself and your idea even when the odds seem stacked against you. But remember, with great risk comes great reward. So how do you ignite your entrepreneurial spark? Start by observing the world around you. Look for problems that need solving, for needs that aren't being met. Then ask yourself, how can I solve this problem in a way that's unique, innovative, and valuable? Once you have that answer, you're well on your way to igniting your entrepreneurial spark. Without a spark, there can be no fire. In the same way, without a unique business idea, there can be no successful entrepreneurship. So, are you ready to light up your entrepreneurial journey? Once the entrepreneurial spark ignites, what is the next step, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in crafting a well-thought-out business plan. Think of it as the backbone of your entrepreneurial venture. It's not just a document, but a living blueprint that breathes life into your business idea. So what makes a good business plan? Let's break it down. First, the executive summary. This is your elevator pitch, a snapshot of your business encapsulating your vision, mission, and key objectives. It's your chance to captivate potential investors, so make it compelling. Next, the company description. Here you provide an overview of your business. What's its legal structure? What's the nature of your business? What problems does it solve? Remember, it's not just about what you do, but why it matters. Then comes the market analysis. This is where you delve into your target market, understanding your customers, competition, and industry trends. This step is all about research, and more research. The more informed you are about your market, the better your chances of success. Organization and management is next. Here you outline your company's organizational structure and introduce your team. This is your chance to highlight the expertise and skills that each team member brings to the table. Moving on to the service or product line. This is where you detail what you're selling or what service you're offering. What's unique about it? How does it benefit the customer? Make sure you're able to articulate the value proposition. Next up, marketing and sales. This section outlines your strategy for attracting and retaining customers. You'll need to explain how you plan to reach your target market and how you'll drive sales. Last, but definitely not least, financial projections. This is your opportunity to convince investors that your business is a sound investment. Include income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Be realistic and transparent, but also show optimism. A solid business plan acts as a roadmap, guiding you through the journey of entrepreneurship. So take your time, do your research, and craft a business plan that's as unique and innovative as your business idea. A great idea and a solid business plan are crucial, but where does the money come from? Now that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Let's dive right into it. There are several avenues you could explore when it comes to financing your venture. The most straightforward option: personal savings. This is often where many entrepreneurs start. It's your money, you have full control, and there are no obligations to anyone else. However, it's important to remember that starting a business can be risky and you should only invest what you're willing to lose. If personal savings aren't sufficient, loans could be your next port of call. Banks, credit unions, and even online lenders offer various types of business loans, but keep in mind loans need to be paid back, often with interest. So you'll need a robust plan to ensure you can make repayments on time. Next on our list are investors. These could be angel investors, venture capitalists, or even family and friends who believe in your vision. Investors provide capital in exchange for equity in your company. While this can be a great way to secure significant funding, it also means sharing control of your business. Crowdfunding is another popular option in today's digital age. Platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo allow you to pitch your idea to the public. If people love it, they'll fund it, often in exchange for a product or service once your business is up and running. This can be a fantastic way to not only raise funds, but also to validate your idea and build a customer base. Regardless of where your funding comes from, managing your finances wisely is paramount. Budgeting, forecasting, and financial planning are your best friends in this journey. Remember, every dollar counts in the early stages of a business. Money may not be everything, but in the business world, it's the fuel that keeps the engine running. So buckle up, plan wisely, and let's drive your venture to success. So, you've got the idea, the plan, and the money. What about the people? Building a business is not a one-person job. No matter how brilliant or self-sufficient you may be, you can't do everything. You need a team, but not just any team. You need a team that complements your skills, shares your vision, and is as committed to the success of your venture as you are. Think about it. If you're a tech whiz with a great product idea but no marketing experience, you're going to need someone who knows how to sell that product to the world. If you're a creative genius but struggle with numbers, you're going to need someone to manage the financial side of things. But it's not just about filling in the gaps in your skill set, it's also about finding people who share your passion, your drive, your commitment, people who will work late into the night when a deadline is looming, who will go the extra mile to solve a problem, who will stand by you when things get tough. And let's not forget about advisors, mentors, and industry experts. These are the people who have been there, done that. They can provide invaluable advice, insights, and connections. They can help you avoid common pitfalls, make informed decisions, and steer your venture in the right direction. So how do you find these people? It starts with networking. Attend industry events, join online forums, reach out to people in your field. Be clear about what you're looking for, but also be open to unexpected opportunities. You never know where or when you'll find that perfect team member or advisor. And once you've assembled your dream team, remember to nurture those relationships. Create a positive, supportive work environment. Encourage open communication, mutual respect, and continuous learning. After all, a happy team is a productive team. Remember, building a successful business is a team sport. Choose your players wisely. Finally, you're ready to launch. But is the journey over? Not by a long shot. Launching your business is indeed a momentous occasion, a culmination of all your hard work, planning, and perseverance. It's like a ship setting sail on its maiden voyage. But remember, the journey has only just begun. Launching a business is a process, not a single event. It's about introducing your product or service to the world, making your presence felt in the marketplace. This is where marketing steps into the limelight. It's through effective marketing strategies that you attract your initial customer base. Social media campaigns, email marketing, search engine optimization, partnerships with other businesses. These are all tools in your marketing arsenal. But don't just think of marketing as a way to sell your product. It's also a way to tell your story, to express your brand's identity and values. This can be a powerful tool to connect with your customers on a deeper level, fostering loyalty and building a community around your brand. Now you have your business up and running, and hopefully customers are starting to trickle in. But here's the tricky part. The world doesn't stand still. The market is constantly evolving. Consumer trends shift, new technologies emerge, competitors rise. As an entrepreneur, you need to keep a vigilant eye on these changes. This is where innovation comes into play. It's not just about coming up with a great idea at the outset. It's about continuously innovating, finding new ways to meet your customers' needs, to improve your product or service, to streamline your operations. And it's not just about innovating in a vacuum. Listen to your customers, solicit their feedback. They are your best source of insight into what's working and what's not. Adapt your business in response to these insights. This is the essence of a customer-centric approach. Launching your business is just the beginning of your entrepreneurial journey. Stay innovative, stay adaptable, and most importantly, stay passionate. Because passion is the fuel that keeps this entrepreneurial engine running. It's what gets you up in the morning, ready to face whatever challenges the day may bring. It's what keeps you going through the highs and the lows, the successes and the setbacks. It's the heart of entrepreneurship. In the world of entrepreneurship, the only constant is change. Your business is now launched, and you've taken your first steps into the marketplace. But remember, this is not the end, it's just the beginning. The entrepreneurial journey is a winding road with ups and downs, twists and turns. It's a path of continuous learning and growth, of adapting and innovating. As you navigate this journey, remember to stay agile, stay resilient. Embrace change not as a threat, but as an opportunity to evolve. Embrace failure not as a setback, but as a stepping stone to success. Embrace risk not as a danger, but as a catalyst for growth. And throughout this journey, never forget why you started in the first place. Keep your vision at the forefront, let it guide your decisions, fuel your passion. Remember, it's not just about building a successful business, it's about making a difference, about creating something of value, something that matters. So buckle up, entrepreneurs. The journey ahead is challenging, but it's also exciting, rewarding. As you embark on this journey, remember that you're not alone. You're part of a community of dreamers, doers, innovators, and together we can change the world. So keep dreaming, keep doing, keep innovating, and most importantly, keep moving forward. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Here's to your entrepreneurial journey. Until next time, keep pushing, keep creating, and keep inspiring.